So you've been ignoring your natural hair. Yep, you. No shame in the game. I have too. At a first glance, it seems like you're on some Lauryn Hill vibes. Really, upon closer examinations, you have dandruff everywhere, your scalp is itchy, and between you and I, your hair is literally starting to lock. And let's not mention how dry your hair is. But we can fix all of that. So change into some comfortable clothes and let's get started. Alright, so let's start by gently pulling apart those those tangles, followed by pre-pooing. This is just a preliminary step to reduce the amount of tangles we will get later on. And to make our job easier, to be honest, because this is a big job. Next, I am going to pre-poo my hair, and I think you should too. Pre-poo is a treatment done before shampooing your hair and helps against the tendency that shampoos has of stripping our natural hair of its natural oils. It also helps to make my hair more manageable so I can detangle it a little bit easier. It helps me retain moisture, so my hair is naturally very dry, so pre-poo is my solution. Personally, I like to use almond oil and castor oil, but you can use any oils of your choice. So about 15 to 20 minutes later, it is time to continue on our journey to moisturize hair. So I'm going to use this conditioner, not shampoo yet, the conditioner, because I am going to finger detangle my hair before I shampoo. I use my fingers to detangle my hair because it's a lot gentler on your hair. You know exactly where the tangles are, and it prevents you from ripping out your hair and prevents unnecessary hair loss. I shy away from using a comb unless my hair is really matted like it is today, so I will use a comb later on in this routine, but I like to start using my fingers always. On a side note, I've been loving this particular Shea Moisture line. I'm not a big fan of Shea Moisture in general, but this line does it for me. I'm taking advantage of the fact that I have oils in my hair. I'm putting on conditioner, so I'll have great slip and be able to detangle easier. Before I start to shampoo my hair, I am going to put in some big twists. My hair has been getting a little bit longer, so I'm going to pop in some twists to prevent all of my detangling work from going to waste. By the way, I'm only putting the top of my hair in twist. I'm not concerned about the back because it's still fairly short. And to be fair, when I go ahead and rinse out the shampoo, all the twists come out. So it's almost counterintuitive, but I find that it still helps to keep my hair stretched while I rinse out the shampoo. Alright, moving on to shampoo. Finally, you can't rush this process. You've been ignoring your hair. Now it's time to give it some tender, loving care. I am focusing on my scalp at this point. My hair itself has been conditioned. I have the oils in it, so it's feeling really nice, but I really have to cleanse my scalp because we've seen what it looked like at the beginning and we need to get that taken care of. So I'm focusing the shampoo on my scalp and only using the tip of my fingers. I'm not using my nails, using the tip of my fingers to gently massage my scalp, ensuring that it's nice and clean before we move on to the next step. Moving on to a treatment. Now, this is completely optional. I am doing a protein treatment. If your hair is sensitive to proteins, go ahead and skip this step and go directly to deep conditioning. A moisturizing deep conditioner is a must. But I am doing a protein treatment because I have been ignoring my hair for a while, so it could use some strengthening products. I'm using the Effigy 2-minute reconstructor. Only the OG naturals know about this product, so you're welcome if I'm reintroducing it into your life. And then followed by this dip conditioner, again by Shea Moisture. Like I said, this line is really good. This conditioner is amazing. The shampoo is very gentle on my hair. It doesn't strip it. And their conditioner is nice for finger detangling. It has a good amount of slip in it. So I've really been loving this line. Good job, Shea Moisture. So now I am going to use a pick to make sure that my hair is fully detangled, and that's only because I've been ignoring my hair for a long time. I want to say it's been over a month since I washed it, so I'm using this pick, but this is very easy to do because my hair has already been detangled and it's moisturized. So it's really easy to just go through with the pick, and then I'll leave the conditioner in for about an hour or so. So we're on the last home stretch right now. All that's left to do is to moisturize. I'm using the leave-in I've been using for years. Also a thick butter. My hair is dry. It's 4C. It likes Shea butter, so I've been using that for years. Go ahead and pop it in. You can see how moisturized my hair is. I am going to put it in some twists and leave it in those twists for a few days. Because I've been abusing my hair, I like to give it a rest. This is the perfect time to wear your wigs, and then eventually I will do a twist out with moisturized hair. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share it with someone that could use some natural hair tips. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!